Today in this video I am going to show you how you can make travel map animation in Canva. First open Canva and then go to videos. Now go to elements and here search for world map. Go to photos, select. Now go to the elements and here search for GPS. Go to graphics, select any one, duplicate this. Now go to the text, add heading. Now add multiple dash icon. Go to the colors and select white. Now go to the effect, select curve. Now go to the animate, select wave. Now right click and click on layer, show layer, make it down. Now select the GPS icon, go to animate, select pop. Now go to the second GPS, select pop. Now select the first one, right click, show timing. Now go to the dash icon, click on that. Now select the timing. Now go to the second GPS icon, select the timing. Now go to the text, add heading, go to the colors, make it white, duplicate it. Now let's play. And here you go. So this is how you can make travel map animation in Canva. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.